Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Sweetcrispy saucer chair. So this is the extra large and it's gray. Now the legs are kind of gold. The really nice thing about this was it ships all assembled. You just have to unfold it. So it folds up. I'll show you real quick. It folds up super easy. All right. Up there, it's all folded up, very nice. It just comes right out of the box just like that. Now the next surprising thing was I can sit in this. Now it doesn't fit me up top, but it supports my weight. I'm about 6'2" and weigh about 260 pounds, and I felt really comfortable in it. So here I am sitting in it. You can see I feel really comfortable. Again, it doesn't fit my back, but I don't mind sitting in here for long periods of time. Yeah, I think it's got a really cool color. You know, quite a bit of padding, not a lot. There's probably needs a little bit. I could feel this bar a little bit, but wow, just really cool chair. All right, let's measure how tall it is. Right around 32 inches that way, maybe about 16. Left to right, you're looking at about 35 almost. So it's like a 35-inch circle. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.